Hi guys, and kumusta kayo? It's the end of the second trading day of the week, and I hope that you managed to close your position since nagkaroon ng technical bounce somehow si PSEI, no. So this one gave you a chance to actually close your positions ng better outlook. Tama ba ang term ko? Or better closing price, kumbaga, imbis na sa baba pa kayo lalong mag-cut. No, okay, so taking a look at it, I've put a circle here to show you guys yung rejection ng mga bears sa bulls, di ba? And if you can see, nauntog yan sa EMA 9. Kumbaga, ano bang term nila? Just nice, di ba? Na nandun siya sa EMA 9 yung closing price action. That even though it closed with a green candle, you still have to not worry, but just manage your expectations on what the market would give you. So, price action bounced at MA20 and it's currently respecting that, but I'm actually seeing this as a technical bounce. No? So, as I have mentioned yesterday, I'm not sure if I mentioned it on my on the video yesterday, or was it on just on my page. But we're currently on the first level of support, which is around the 6-7 levels. So this is support 1, and support 2 is actually confluent with MA100. Okay, MA100 with support 2 around 6 levels, and support 3 is at 0.5, fib 5.5 around 6.5 levels. This is confluent with MA200, di ba? Ganda ng mga pwestuhan eh. So we just have to manage our expectations, and if you have cash, di ba? Kung sakali mag-correct talaga yung market up to MA200, then malaki yung chance mo na higher upside, di ba? What we can actually expect from the market is kung mag-technical bounce talaga yan, diba? Kung ma-penetrate yan dito, alam mo na yan, diba? Probability lang yan eh. So let's just say ito yung worst case scenario, and saka siya magsa-sideways. And if not, diba? Kung dito mag-bounce, hindi dito, saan yung kulay niya? Palitan natin. Blue. Okay. And kung ito na yan, diba? Yan yung mga, not red. Kumbaga kung ito yung pinaka-ideal. Not ideal kung mataas yung pressure pag green. Okay. So, ito lang expectations ko for the PSCI, for the market itself. What could happen, and how to manage your expectations. So this one, sell on strength ba yung tamang term nila? Yeah, sell on strength. Diba? Kung naipit ka dito yesterday and you're looking for a good closing position, edi dito, ganda, diba? The market is giving you a chance, and you don't want to lose that chance. Okay, so let's start with the screening. Okay, of the interesting stocks that I saw today. So TBGI, diba? Ba't siya interesting? Kasi madaming natutusok. Bakit madaming natutusok? Kasi madaming naglalarong chipitero. Okay, bawasan natin yung mga natin, no? Just close it, because what I actually used here was not this. Let's enter VWAP. Para mas visible lang. Orange pala natin. Okay. And of course, 5. So what happened? Price opened here, diba? Actually, ito yung ginagamit ng mga Jupitero. Tingnan natin yung day frame niya. Diba? If you take a look at it, increasing volume, diba? Dito. So since sabihin natin kumita na sila dito and they just want a piece of action for today, since kumbaga kung ang mindset nila is magchuchupit lang talaga, and they know that this is overextended na yung pagka parabolic niya, di ba? Yung uptrend niya. They know na medyo mainit na to. So, madaming mga taong yung katulad nga na sabi ko sa inyo yesterday, mga nafo-FOMO, di ba? So, maybe they opted for a day trade, di ba? Minutes lang. So, anong ginagawa ng mga Jupitero sa mga VWAP na to? Delete natin ito. Medyo madumi yung diba? VWAP is enter the market or the trade when it's below the VWAP line. So, VWAP, I just left it on default. No? So, pwede pumasok sila dito. Nakita nila may sumasalo. This is on a 5-minute time frame, okay? So, hindi pa sila dito, hindi sila sa 5 minutes yung pinaka-open. Dahil sila, so bumagsak. If they manage to enter here at this level, so that's below the VWAP line, enter the trade. And by the way, I'm sure that hindi sila nag-all in sa kanilang mga positions here kasi kumbaga basura play chupit lang any good, sabihin natin 10% ng total cash position nila, diba, or total portfolio 10%, then mag-gain ng 5% yung 10% nila ba? Win-win sa kanila yon. And tingnan nyo, 5 minutes lang pumutok. Kung dyan sila pumasok sa mga nagchuchupit. By the way, this need to have real-time monitoring and mabilis sana yung browser internet speed nyo. Diba? 8%. Sabihin natin medyo pa sila, medyo magaling talaga. 7 or here. Ano na to? Sabihin natin dito sila. Diba? Ang VWAP trade na ginagawa is buy when the price is below the VWAP line, and if the price goes above that one, above the VWAP line, then sell. Diba? Kitang-kita. Tapos dito nag-distribute, mga humabol. Sino tong mga to, diba? Sabihin natin, humabol ka. Sabihin mo, baka mag-conso yan, katulad ng ibang stock. In the end, ikaw yung naipit ngayon ng 7%. So, diba? Mabilisan Dito mo. Pasok sila dito after 10 to 15 minutes. Diba? Labas na sila. Baka less than pa nga. Baka dito pa lang. Lumabas na sila Ano yung 3-minute time frame? Diba? 3 minutes. Masyadong masakit, guys. So, that's how chupiting. Ganun naman chupit yung mga tao. Okay? So, that's for TBGI. Hopefully, hindi kayo yung mga naipit. Kasi, nakakalungkot in a way. Kasi, sila, yung mga matatagal na dito, they know what they're doing, and you, trying to chase those high flyers na in the end, ikaw yung nagbayad, ikaw yung nagbigay ng pera dun sa mga marunong na mag-trade ng mga ganito. Okay, if you're new to the market, just stay on the learning side first and stay on the low risk to medium siguro if ever. Ito mga super high risk na to day traders. Yung mga day traders, hindi yan sila nakikip ng positions at least for the whole day, or if they allocated a percentage of their portfolio for day trading, then it's only a percentage, hindi yung all in. Sipin mo yung pera mo, pinaghirapan mo, pinagpuyatan mo, diba? Naipit ka sa traffic, Lahat yun isipin mo pag pumapasok ka ng ng trades. You don't want to lose your money. You actually want your money to compound and to gain yung tumaas yung value, kumbaga, di ba? Okay. So, katulad kahapon, we go with FES. So, FES, we go our MAs and MA9 for trend following. Di ba? Mga naipit kahapon, sana, sabihin natin ikaw yung nandito, no? Kung ikaw yung nandito at hindi ka pa rin lumabas nung tumaas yung presyo, you lost 12%. Ano ba itong isa? Okay. Diba? You lost 12%, guys. Kung hindi ka pa din bumitaw. Hindi to katulad ng crypto na hold on for your dear life. It's not that kind of trade. Pero kung ikaw yung naipit dito and you manage to close when it's on strength, you only lost 3 to 4% of your position or your cash or your portfolio na inallocate mo kay FES. So ito yung typical na basura play. So what can we see here? Let's go again to the 5-minute time frame. Diba? Saan yung nag-start? Nag-open siya 5 minutes. Nag-uptrend siya kasi kumbaga massive selling yesterday up to the closing. So nung nag-sell siya 5 minutes, then after that 5 minutes, doon na nagsimula yung pag-downtrend niya here. So yung mga nakapagbenta here from its opening, mga super galing, may mga FOMO traders dyan. Let's see. Buy tayo sa opening, then sell on the first 5 minutes, they gain 5%. Diba? Magaling ang mga tao, and we don't want to challenge them on their arena. It's not our arena to go to, kumbaga, kung hindi ka day trader. And if you're just learning, just like me, magandang pieces of information, diba? Or study materials if ever that you want to be this kind of trader. 5 minutes, diba? Tutok ka. Dual screen, yung isang screen for your broker and the other screen for the chart. Then opening, kumbaga sa broker mo, naka-buy signal ka na. After buy, click agad ng sell, tapos dapat may target ka ng price range, 'di ba? Usually that's 5 to 10% agad if ever you want to do those kind of trades. But or if you want, maybe sell half after you gain that 5%, then keep the 5% to run and see if the trend will still follow. So yung 50% mo, kung mag-gain pa, 'di ba? It's better than nothing. Gain is gain, kumbaga. Okay? Maybe I'll post a different video for those kind of tactics, strategies. So let me just compile. I'm still starting to get back on my video recording, diba? I'll get back to it, guys. So next one is GMA 607 sila. Di pa sila lumilipat. Okay, so GMA 7, what happened is karoon ng nope, not that one. Okay, small console, then this is all-time high if I'm not mistaken. Another all-time high. Yes it is. Mahirap pa nag-zoom in. Okay, mas maganda. Zoom in. Diba? Kitang-kita. All-time high. Ano bang next fibs niyan? Saan mo nagsimula to? here, here. Fib extension, diba? Next one is 14. Pero ang pinakaganda kasi dito kay GMA 7 is wala silang competition, diba? ABS-CBN is out of the competition regarding advertising with the coming election. So yung pinaka-upside kung ano ang ikatataas ng value ng GMA, yung kikitain ni GMA during this period. So since wala pa, actually wala pa, 'di ba? Wala pang election, pero ganito mag-anticipate ang market. 'Di ba? Yan, consolidate share, tapos pumutok na agad. Wala pa, nagsisimula pa lang yung mga news, 'di ba? If you're following those news, 'di ba? Sila kahit nga sila Villar nag-post na ng Happy Father's Day, but we know that that is a campaign. We are seeing this mga nag-iingay na sa social media or sa news na kung ano-ano, pero you know that they're just keeping with appearances para maging relevant sa ano. Pero okay, out of the picture, but let's focus on gaining our or getting richer on our own, diba? So this is what GMA looks like, and the last fib extension that I'm seeing is on 14 peso. But I'm guessing that there will be still higher. For that, it's out of my capability na. I'm not entirely sure. Sige, sabihin natin na. Ito. Ano start and downtrend niya dito? Here, then throw natin sa natapos yung downtrend niya. Here. Okay. Diba, na-break pala niya. Kung sakaling ito yung yung long trend value na titignan natin, no? So, looking at it, fibs kaya pang umabot ng 18, 23, and 26. Malayo-layo pa yung lalakbayin niya. Diba? So, GMA 7, guys. Hopefully, we can expect or kita natin yung potential na makuha natin kay GMA. So next one is JGS. I believe I also screened this one yesterday as one of the blue stocks, or sorry, blue chips pala, blue stocks tuloy, no? Okay, since this is part of the blue chips, so we're going to see some rejection with the prices. So 0.3 levels, I would say na medyo malapit na yung confluence niya kay MA20 niyan. Where's MA100? It's MA100 actually. So nauntog siya kay MA200 and it's now with MA100. So yan yung support, next support that we're actually looking. And of course, if that breaks, MA50, diba? Ganda nung fibs niya eh. MA100 ba sabi ko, diba? MA100 confluence with 0.32, MA50 with 236, and of course dito, but I doubt that it will still go down to its cheapest price, no, at 49, around 49 pesos. So that's what we're looking at right now for JGS. Next one is Meg. Okay, fibs. So RSI wise, it's up for consolidation around 50, and if not, kung magbigay pa siya ng opportunity at the oversold area, why not, diba? That's why it's nice to at least keep some cash position in this kind of times. Okay, so based on its fibs, it is bouncing on the 236 levels. So kung ma-break yan, ito pala, around 3 pesos, no? So solid number, pero ito here, and of course itong Ito previous low niya. Yung mga support levels na titignan natin. So if Meg manages to consolidate around this area, okay, let's do a Darvas. That would be better. Diba? Range muna siya. Consolidate. Pahinga siya. 2000, diba? Nasa level siya nung pandemic levels eh. Pero our government is pushing for the vaccines, for this vaccine drives, diba? People are lining up to take their vaccines, and as vaccines started to roll out, businesses will go and the economy will actually recover. So yun yung pinaka capital natin dito, no? Okay, AP. Okay, so looking at its fibs, tama ba yung drawing? Kasi okay, nauntog siya sa 0.5. Ano, ito yung ano ko, kasi ito yung start ng downtrend. Okay, so nauntog siya sa 0.5. We'll have to see, pero yung RSI niya medyo ano na yun, papuntang oversold area. So may ano pa, may room for buwelo pa. Ang kailangan mo lang silipin is anong history niya once it hits this this RSI level. Diba? Drawing tayo ng line to see kung anong mga naging reaction. Oops. Okay, history wise, nauntog siya guys, no? May divergence pa dito, pero RSI level wise nauntog. So may mga konting outliers, pero yun yung naging behavior ni AP. So why did I screen AP? So si AP, no, if I didn't mention yesterday, is part of the power industry, kung bakit Meralco. And what we saw on the news is magkakaroon ng mga temporary or mga brownouts sa city. So yun yung mga ano, 'di ba? Kung hindi mabigay ni Meralco, sino magbibigay ng ibang power? Edi yung mga small players, yung mga actually AP is not a small player, but they can step in and they can take advantage of that shortage, diba? Yung mga epekto ng news, yung mga kailangan yung matunugan. So if si Meralco, anong mangyayari, diba? Doon papasok. Then let's go with tech. So si tech medyo parabolic. RSI is in the oversold area. Okay, what can I say? So I forgot to draw. Ito overreaction. Sige, start ng downtrend. No, this one should be this one. Okay, diba? Ang ganda ng price action, no? Nauntog siya sa 618. Okay, so if tech wants to go up further, buwelo muna siya, diba? RSI oversold na eh. Ito, oversold na. If tech wants to break that fib level, what we can expect for it is to, kasi ito, paano ba mag-drawing ng semicircle? Is it ellipse? Ito arc. Yan. Diba? Big picture. It's a cup. And what do we want for it? Para makabuelo? Gumawa ng handle. So that's what we want for tech to do. RSI is oversold, so magandang bumaba muna siya, going with the cup bago siya bumuelo. para basagin yung 618 levels. So, expect correction, and if kaya pa niya, kung may bubuga pa, kahit oversold na siya, it can break out through this area, then consolidate dito sa level na to. Yun. Ganda pala ng chart ni Tech, no? Kaso si MACD nasa upside na eh. Nice. Ganda, no? Ganda ng chart ni Tech. Next one is DMC. So, katulad ni Meg, it's in the tawag dito, yung construction industry, diba? Ano to? Ba't meron dito? So, drawing the horizontal line, we can see that it broke through, diba? The EMA9 trend is still intact, and what we can expect for DMC is to actually consolidate, no? Tarvas, consolidate here. Pahinga na muna kasi tinan nyo, oversold area, papahinga. Maganda ma-maintain niya yun yung gusto natin mangyari DMC. Ma-maintain niya yung level na yan since the market is trying to recover, battling to recover actually, since there's a Delta variant na naman, and it's quite contagious, so we don't want to jinx, diba? At least set our expectations, and if this doesn't hold, we'll go for support around this area, diba? Ayan, no? So hopefully this one holds, and if that one holds, we'll set aside the target profits for those position. Okay, next one, SEB. Okay, diba? Ganda. EMA9 bounce. Since this is part of the blue chips, yung bounce na nakita natin is ito yung isa sa mga nag-contribute. Ganda din eh, oh. Resistance yan eh. Resistance, ano yung makikita? Nung na-break niya yan, yung resistance, diba, it became support. So, kung isa kayo sa mga nandito, diba, na-break, bounce. Ganda. Since the domestic flights are open as long as you have a negative test for COVID, good ano yun, diba? Revenue kay sabihin eh, even though I believe they are on red right now, pero it gives us hope na nag-open na at least domestically. Are they for leisure? I'm not entirely sure, but yun yung scenario dyan. So next resistance that we can expect is here. Ay, taas masyado. Di pa, not yet. So this is considered cheap, pero for sure ang ano niyan, diba, gapang yan para bumalik siya dun sa levels na to. Kumaga kung kaya mong invest ka 1 million, pikit ka, kung maalala mong mamaya nakakalipad ka na, punta ka ng Japan o kung ano man, kung saan man, naalala mo, uy, nag-enjoy na ako, may stock nga pala ako kay Seb, no? Open na yung flights and all. So, pagbukas mo, 77% gain. Nabayaran pala yung ano mo, yung flight. Diba? Win-win situation. So, that's for Seb. Medyo ano lang, maganda lang yung outlook since yun nga, vaccination rollout throughout the whole sa buong mundo, di ba? And this one, ASEX. Nakita ko lang to kanina, so start of downtrend, tas yung nagtigil yung downtrend, consolidate, pumutok. Maganda lang dito, it broke MA 100. Though may konting rejection kasi the price is on 0.5 levels. Diba? Ang ganda ng closing nyo, 0.5. So, we can expect the price at least may maintain niya yan What's the RSI? Ayun eh, papuntang oversold na. Kita nyo. Since I took a break, haven't managed to actually position. Diba kung nakita ko to, ganda sa nung na-break ito. Ito, na-break niya. Nung na-break niya yung RSI level. Ito yung downtrend yan eh. Ito, diba? RSI trend line. O, diba? Nung na-break niya yan, upside na yung MACD. Mga nung nag-bounce, dun na. Tapos may small conso pa dito. Bakit hindi itong screen ko, no? May zoom in ba dito? Ayun. Masyado pala maliit. Ayun, no? RSI, bounce. Gusto mas maayos na ayun, no? Untog, bounce, uptrend. Ganda nung tas closing niya fib 50 fib 0.5. So we should expect at least this stock to consolidate around this area, at least above MA 100. Nasa ba MA 200 ito? Masyado malayo. Okay, so ganda nung chart ni ASEX. So consolidate muna tayo and we'll see if kung ano magiging perspective natin sa galaw ni ASEX. Okay, so that's 10 stocks to review for today, guys, and I hope that you pick up something. I hope that at least nag-stick sa inyo, or kung may mali ako, please point it out and I'll try to check that information. Okay, maganda yan, constructive, diba? Sabi nyo, mali naman yun naman eh. Okay, then I'll take a look at it. I'll have to improve myself. And as yung sa inyo naman doon, ang good take doon is you get to see kung ano yung mali. At least na mali yun. You get to correct me and I'll share that correction at least sa iba na nanonood. And that would be the best thing for it, diba? Tulong-tulong tayong nag-i-improve araw-araw. Okay, that's all for today, guys, and I hope you pick up something. Bye!